D is defined as 1 over 8 multiplied by c to the power of 3. And we're told that c equals 10.9, correct to 3 significant figures. And we need to, by considering the bounds, work out the value of d to a suitable degree of accuracy, giving a reason for our answer. So I'm first going to look at this line here. So we're told that c equals 10.9, correct to 3 significant figures. And we're given a hint that we need to consider the bounds. So let's consider the bounds of c. We need to think about, firstly, what's the lowest number that when you round it to 3 significant figures, it gives you 10.9. And that would be 10.85. And if we think about this, if we had 10.49999, and that keeps going on like that, so just below 10.85, this number, if you round it to 3 significant figures, would go to 10.4. So this is the lowest number that rounds to 10.9. Now I'm going to look at the other side. What's the highest number that rounds down to 10.9? And we're going to have here 10.95. Now you might be thinking, hang on a second, 10.95, if you round that to 3 significant figures, is 11. And you'd be right. However, what we've done here is we've done a less than sign. So we're not including 10.95, but anything just below that. Okay, that's great. We've got our bounds here. Now we're going to work out the value of d to a suitable degree of accuracy. So I'm first going to let c equal 10.85. So if that's the case, we're going to have d equals 1 over 8 multiplied by 10.85 to the power of 3. And if we pop that into our calculator, we get 159.66. ... Now what we're going to do is look at the upper bound. So if we let c equal 10.95, we're going to get that d equals an eighth multiplied by 10.95 to the power of 3. And putting that into the calculator, we get 164.11... ... So these are our two values for d. When you think about what value do both of these round to if we round them to 3 significant figures, and we would get 160 in both cases. So therefore, we say that d is approximately 160. So there are 4 marks up for grabs in this question. We get the first one for work out the bounds of c. The second mark here for when we sub them in. We get our third mark for getting the correct values for d when we sub in the upper and lower bound. And we get the final mark for correctly working out that d to a suitable degree of accuracy is 160.